Yeah, we back, y'all. Back by popular demand, you know. One stop drip shop. Appreciate everybody that been tapping in, subbing up, like, commenting, supporting, you know what I mean? Support go a long way, man. I'm here with some sad news, man. I could hear it in my voice, man. It's a sad one. This gonna be a review and a bias beware, man. What I want y'all to beware of, if you in the New York area, stay away from stadium goods, man. Look at these sneakers right here, man. Shit's is horrible, bro. Horrible. Look at the thread sticking out right there. There's just so many things wrong, man. Look at this shit right here. It's a brand new pair of sneakers, man. Brand new pair. Ain't even get a wear off of it, man. So let me just give y'all some details about the sneaker and all that. Like, so it's a little bit of, I don't know if it's suede or nubuck. I don't know what the fuck, but it's some shit right there. This ain't suede right here neither. Don't get finessed. This ain't suede. You know what I mean? I'm just upset, man. I just needed to grab something. I ended up grabbing these shits for the hide too, man. But they come with a little bandana and shit. They come with some lacings. They had some white and black lacings, you know what I mean? And red joints. I brought the red joints with me. I'm on location right now. You feel me? But yeah, man, these shits is horrible, bro. These shits look like a nigga ran a couple fulls in them already. A nigga balled out. A nigga did 20 kick flips. Like, these shits is crazy, bro. Like, I don't know if you could see it. Oh, man. This shit look like I bought it off a crackhead, bro. You know what I mean? Like, crackhead just came to the hood with these shits, wanted $20 for them. Like, these shits is bad, man. Stay away from stadium goods. I don't know what they got going on in there, but they ain't doing the right thing. And the crazy shit about it was, like, say for instance, these shits cost $800. When you look at the condition of them and you be like, nah, I don't want these shits, I want another pair, they gonna get another pair and they gonna be like, all right, these pairs $900. It's the same exact size and all of that shit, just a different pair. Them shit's gonna be just as fucked up as the ones you just gave back to them. You gonna be like, nah, let me see another pair. They're gonna come out with another pair. Guess how much them shit's gonna be? $1,000. So guess what? Every time they bring you out some fucked up sneakers and you don't want them, and you ask for another pair, they go back, they get another pair, but that other pair gonna be another $100. You know what I mean? The same exact sneaker, same size, you're gonna pay another $100 for it. I don't know what the fuck that system is about, but that shit is crazy. You feel what I'm saying? And the thing about it was, he just kept bringing out more and more fucked up sneakers. The shit ain't really get better, bro. So, like I said, man, I grabbed these. Y'all done see me unbox shit. Y'all ain't never seen no sneakers in no bad condition like this shit, man. But let me give you some details. He doing this butterfly joint on the back. I ain't see that before. Alright, matter of fact, is that a butterfly? Yeah, that's a butterfly. Or a bumblebee or some shit. I don't know. Y'all know y'all bees. Y'all know y'all insects and all that. Somebody know better than me. But yeah, you got the Jordan joint. The Jordan joint on the back. What the fuck is up with my tongue today, man? Alright. Don't say no funny shit in the comments neither, man. I'm cutting ass in the comments and all that. So yeah, I like this bandana. You know what I mean? This shit all black. You feel me? Got the Jordan sign on it. Got the little Cactus Jack logo on the joint. These is part of my Dark Knight Black Mamba series, you know what I'm saying? Wish these shits wasn't so fucked up, man. Right? Wish they wasn't so fucked up. You could tell, like, the fake suede on this shit look way lighter than this side. Like, I don't know what this nigga that had these shits. Like, cause you know, like, this shit is just like StockX or one of them other companies. You buy the sneakers brand new and you just selling them. You just reselling this shit. So it's not worn. Shit ain't never been worn before. You know what I mean? Brand fucking new. Just a fucked up pair of sneakers, man. Should I blame Nike for making fucked up sneakers, or should I blame StockX for selling these shits? Like, who get the blame? Leave in the comments who should I fucking blame for these shits, these disasters. Matter of fact, Nike and StockX. So buyers beware on Nike and StockX. I'm upping it. Nike and StockX, bro. Buyers beware. I ain't gonna stop copping Nikes, but this shit is bad, man. Late night joint too, man. You already know how I'm rocking. It's a late night. It's the old phone. What's this? 249, man. It's gonna be embarrassing. I hope I post this shit in another day or two, man. If I post this shit in a month or some crazy shit, like some of my other videos, and y'all see the date, y'all gonna know I be playing, man. But yeah, One Stop Thrift Shop. Play ahead to stay ahead. Let me know what you think about these shits, man. They definitely making my buyers beware segment. Beware Stadium Goods. It's located in New York and Manhattan. You know what I mean? They like a Flight Club rival. Beware them boys, man. We about this shit.